Hi, this is Les from Woodworks. Thank you for having me back on the channel, Ron. Today I'm going to talk about the Polk Smart Cart mod to the R8 casters. I've done 4 of them. It's been wonderful. First of all, I'm so excited. I want to show you guys something. First of all, I'm going to show you just how solid the bench is. Ugh! All right, so I got me one of these because I'm old. It's a furniture mover. I can't wait to show you guys this. So, something about the new cart that Ron come up with. The wheels are exactly under where all the weight is focused from the top of the bench. Which means carts no longer sag, which is why the new cart plan is 12 millimeter material, much lighter. Well, I have existing benches, and I really couldn't justify doing another one. So I bought a set of plans, and got the dimensions for the boxes on the inside, figured out what I needed to do, and made my boxes. Some soft maple, some dowels, stuff I had. I wanted it really rock solid, because my bench doesn't actually go all the way down to the ground. Before I show you how easy this moves, over here you can see, like on my cart here, on my total station, there's a hump in the floor. But each end of that thing, of that cart, is 3/4 of an inch off the floor. And that's why I had to have the maple strips on the sides. I have no flex in any direction. It was just what I had to do for my shop when I started out. So that's okay, and it's gonna work, and this is awesome. So I've already lifted this up, and I wanna show you guys just how easy, look how it continues to move after and this thing is weighted down. It's got another cart on it, got a bunch of tools. Yeah, it's a roller skate. I was thinking, hey man, if I could find my old ski bindings, I could put my foot right here in the center and go skating. Nah, I'm just kidding. But it's awesome. So if you already have an existing system, and also you're tired of this, kicking this, I've tripped over this several times. So is my friend. My friend's actually kind of messed up from it right now. So we're glad we did it. That was the day we decided we did it. And we bought 4 sets of wheels, started on it, got them done. We love them. It's really high quality. I'm just going to show you an actuation. Ron showed actuations on his. Come on in here with the camera so they can really see. I'm just going to actuate this. Down, up, down. Now it's important to realize that, you see that? There's no pressure on my wheel at all when I'm in the down position. So the thing about that is going exactly by the instructions where they tell you how to drill it, find your height, clamp it on there, drill your holes, and mount it with the screws. By the way, Bob, thank you. I love the square drives that came with it. I didn't use them on here, but I'm going to use them on something else. Yeah, it comes with some pretty decent hardware. I'm going to talk about this. Me and Ron always talk about this. I templated my hole cutouts because I had 4 carts to do, but I really recommend, for accuracy and repeatability, only if you're doing 1 or 2 carts, to still go ahead and do it, because it's just a clean look. It's a reliable look. When you go to put your boxes on, everything's going to be in the right spot. So we're going to preach templates for a minute. I'm 160 across here. Now, I ended up with a 150 hole. I ran my hole a little tighter. So therefore on here, I used a 3/4 bushing with a 1/2 inch bit. And I come back over here and I get a 150 hole. So I haven't mounted the wheels yet here. I'm still waiting for them to come in. Also too, you see all these fast cap screws? I pre-drilled those oak strips and put those in. I really wasn't wasting screws. these were the screws that the other hardware, that the other wheels out here were mounted to. And I am so glad they're gone. It was so worth doing. These carts roll so good. I've never had carts roll like this. And all the workbenches and everything that I've had over the years, this is just a good thing. I'm gonna make another recommendation too. Now, you don't have to have prints if you don't want to, but this is pretty exciting. If you guys do know how to print, right here, and I know a lot of people have these. This is the shelf pin drilling thing. This is the 1/4 inch one. This requires a 1/4 inch hole. This is how I got a perfect reference at the point where when I was building up the boxes. As a matter of fact, I got another piece here that I kind of saved to kind of show you when I'm putting that together. I was right there. I'm gonna hold that right there and center that, and I do my 4 holes, and every one of them come out perfect prior to assembly. And if you take the time and figure that out where that needs to be, you don't have to be able to print one. You could make a hardboard or just a 5mm template. Just take your time, make it good. This lip here on this drill bit, this is 3/8. That's just 3/8. So if you make some 3/8 holes and some plywood, really good center, really good layout. Then when you build it, it's going to go much faster. You just pop your screws in and go for it. Now, I'm going to say another thing too. When you're building, and please do this for yourself. This is incredible. Your XY plane, your vertical plane, and your tilt, either way the wheels. That's why I went this way. I wanted to get those mounted as good as I can. And so when you do that, then she rolls real easy. This cart rolls so easy that if it ain't down, I can't get any work done. The cart will start moving away from you. So that wraps it up. And I just want to say that the wheels are excellent quality. The new drawing is great. I'm going to actually make one of those with the 12mm and try it out. I'd love to have lighter, smaller carts. And so there's where I am right now. I love it. I love the modification. It was easy to do. Takes me my first one took a day. The other 3, after I got templates made and figured out the process, takes about 3 hours to do it. So it was wonderful. So that's my video. And once again, Ron, thank you for having me on. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. All right. Thank you for watching Lean Woodworks.